Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 90, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, all we need to do is swipe down from the top right side of our screen, like this. This will show us the toggles that we have access to, and one of those toggles should be the the power saving mode. So for me, it is right over here. As you've seen, I did swipe down a little bit more on it just to extend the list so I can swipe down, and here we have it. So power saving mode. From here we can tap on it. It gives us a pop-up of this, letting us know that power saving mode, dark mode will be enabled, always on display, auto sync, and some other functions will be temporarily turned off. Background app activities will be restricted, and visual effect will be reduced. So I'm gonna touch upon this message a little bit more in depth, just because there is a lot of information here, but it's very vague in terms of what it will change. So dark mode is the most obvious one, right? So no doubt here, it just turns on dark mode on the device, but below that we have always on display. I guess that's also pretty intuitive what it does. But then auto sync and visual other functions. So auto sync, what it means is it turns off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being used. So you lose internet connection on your device when you're not using it. Now there's a chance that the device will be reconnecting to it every so often to basically try to sync up everything that it's missing, though I'm just kind of spitballing here. So it could be doing that from the beginning, it could not be doing that, I have no clue. So that's one major thing that it does, which autosync just kind of vaguely tells you what it does. Now other functions will be turned off. That's okay, cool. I can't even tell you what that is. Background app activities, that basically refers to applications running in the background. Again, those will be basically terminated much quicker to save the battery. And visual effects, it refers to the screen refresh rate and brightness. So there we go. Now typically the device will be running at 120 Hz, so it will change it to 60. Now it might feel also a little bit slower because of it, but don't worry, it's just the effect of battery saving. And the brightness is just something that can crank back up. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna select enable here, and it just enabled. There was a tiny bit of a brightness difference. So now you can see we have dark mode already on, and 120 Hz is now just a thing of the past. So we have now only 60, which basically makes this kind of choppy motion. So there we go. That is how you would enable your power saving mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to go back to normal one, just find the toggle, tap on it once more, and everything will go back to functioning normally as it did before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.